This is so simple but so scary.
You got a key with blue paint.
Bro, we can make the scariest fucking game ever.
That's blue paint, so we gotta get a blue door.
Yeah. It's all about the colors. Red.
Which one is that?
Jesus Christ.
He come out any.
You be the
Hold on,
cameraman.
wait.
How you being?
Hold on, could you?
I gotta watch this shit.
It's not funny though. Oh, I'm shaking! I can't!
What the fuck is going on? No way! Are you surviving?
I'm getting the fuck out.
You
Run!
Oh my god! Go up the stairs!
You guys are fucking
relax.
You guys are fucking
Dog,
thugs.
how can I relax after that? I got the fuck out, bro. Stop
Bro,
cut up. He stabbed us up, bro.
You guys got sick by that.
Oh,
I
God.
can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Relax, Julian!
We got you, man. Julian got went crazy. You know what? They did that shit on purpose with the blood splattering because once the blood starts shooting,
Oh my God, that
it
face
becomes hard to see, and that's why people get afraid and hesitate. Did you hear me, kid? Yeah. That's actually that's. Oh, nigga! I can't play this shit. I can't play this shit. That's actually a good man. That's actually a good. Wait, I got the fuck on, bro. One more time. Yeah. Go ahead, nigga.
Swap places then. How you use that too?
It's cool. I'm good
that
at
was
being cameraman. That was a good, interesting mechanic though, the way you make the blood splatter. That way you can't see what's going on, so it makes you freak out more.
Just let somebody play.
Like even if you don't
That
look
key is
at
a
the
key right
screen,
there.
you still get scared.
No, yes, even if you can't see,
It's on the right side.
Sorry.
You hear it, and you're, man, if someone's playing this all alone with just headphones, oh my god, I feel bad for them.
Fuck. That's why people get so scared because the headphones are so
Fuck, man. I got
Did it say June 8th?
Yeah,
Just turn around, it's right behind you, on the table right there.
right here.
Turn all the way around.
It's weird how you can move like that. Hold on. Where you put the camera on, huh? Oh, sorry.
Oh, never mind, it's not there anymore. I think it's fine.
It changes, I guess.
It was glitched somehow, like he couldn't get you. He kept sliding to the left.
He was
Slide to the left.
He's like pushing
Slide
you or
to the
some
right.
shit, like, he wasn't attacking.
Uh-huh.
it was creepy as fuck.
Cha cha one time. Dun, dun, dun,
Dog,
dun.
my legs were shaking like, yeah, I felt them. Dog, that shit
my
is so
God.
fucking scary.
Nigga, I'm right here next to you. I feel that shit.
You see my legs shaking?
Yeah, I felt your legs in my leg.
All I know is I was getting the fuck on, bro.
Yeah, I can't believe you freaking got through
I can't believe you got away from him.
How do you run against shift, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
do not run. That makes him just come quicker.
Yeah, I know. I'm just.
No, hell no, you run away from him.
No,
you
that
ain't
makes
got
it
away.
worse. That makes it much
Nah, nigga, I got the
worse.
fuck.
Running made
He
run-
stabs you
Hey,
up
but
too.
when he said stab, you
Yeah.
It wasn't even that scary. This is all you do, dog. Switch me. You got more control over
I was gonna say you were running circles around that.
No, you have to be in this building.
You adapted to my camera shit.
I wonder how the ending of this game.
Damn, man, you got a lot of good control on that shit. That shit felt all weird. I was getting used to it. Then.
There goes
What was
the
weird?
key room. Get the key.
I thought that was him. Shut
Like
up.
I'm talking about. Isn't it weird how the camera kind of, if that nigga ain't about to come out right now. Once you get used to it, if you can move good, the camera actually is more accurate than on any other game, really.
Like if you run, like you start running a lot.
You know?
Yeah. You can kind of
Man, this game make me fucking mad, dog. I hate this fucking game. This shit is so scary.
You can tell he's so.
Cause it's so freaking dark. It reminds me of my
It's
basement,
so loud and
man.
scary. Your basement's cool.
My basement was creepy.
Hey,
as
watching
fuck.
this shit. Oh, nigga, oh, nigga.
Run!
Nigga. Shut up, nigga. Shut up, nigga. Turn around.
Oh, mommy.
Shut the fuck up, man.
Chill out,
Okay.
Bray.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I thought it was him, but it was the
Man, this
graffiti.
shit spooky as fuck.
Oh my god.
Turn this way, nigga.
Oh my god, nigga. Oh my god.
Don't worry, Joey. I'm tracking your
Why I gotta be a
I'm
cameraman?
rocking my fucking.
Sorry, I don't care
I'm
about
shaking,
being a cameraman.
dog.
I can just keep it.
I'm a little hoe.
Come on, man.
I'm a little hoe. I told you.
Run!
I told you. Relax. Holy shit. Bro, he got me in the corner. I
You
know.
would have won. It's better for somebody else to get good at it too. True.
After I die.
Let's get a heart
I'm
attack.
sure
and die,
Julie's
yeah.
tired of being all
All right, tell you what. Somebody else give me this. This shit is scary. All right. Okay, tell you what. Somebody can be the cameraman. Somebody can be the key guy.
Oh, fuck
you and
that.
Gabe.
Ricky,
I'll be the cameraman.
This is. I can move around pretty
Yeah.
perfectly, actually.
I guess Gabe.
I'm
I guess me and Gabe will be. Gabe, you be the cameraman.
I put a lot of
You be the
camera
next,
on.
and I'll be
Back in the
the
day.
controller.
I'm getting used to it.
Man,
I
Resident
pretty
Evil
far.
ain't got
It's
shit.
all about-
This is so
Man.
It's all about mouse control.
Probably
I
not. Don't
played
you dare say that
Skyrim
again.
I mean,
I
Resident
got
Evil's
pretty far in
good, but
Skyrim
this
playing
this
it.
shit is like way creepier.
I want to join in.
I'll bite you.
Oh, the
Get
sugar
out of
tongs.
here.
What are you gonna do about
Where's
it?
Romeo?
Is that no? That's
He's
sorry.
just taking a shower.
Oh, this shit.
Oh, I thought those.
You don't got no clothes though.
We in a sugar
Yeah, he
tunnel.
does. He does.
We in a sugar tunnel. Why is it called a sugar tunnel?
Cause like that nigga's gonna fucking eat your ass like sugar.
This shit is what?
I don't know.
I'm gonna try not to scare him.
Cause
Shut up them spooky ass ghost noises.
Sugar tunnel? Cause he
Scare me. I ain't going back
Sugar
there.
tunnel?
Why
Cause that
not?
nigga kinda
Let's
sweet.
explore it. Let's see something different at least. Might as well map it out so
You have to go to
whoever
that
plays
tunnel. I
next
know
will
there's a
know.
key in this tunnel.
Why are you running?
I know there's a key in this tunnel.
Where's the flashlight?
Why are you
Fucking
running? I'm saying we
kidding.
came here already. I don't want to be over here. I know, but we should map it out for everybody else.
We gonna go this way.
This is
It's a
so
dead end.
echoey.
Oh, no, it's not.
Oh my
The
fucking.
fuck up,
I'm
Momo.
about to do on myself.
Another tunnel? Go.
Okay, guys.
Do it.
we're
Oh my
with
God.
you.
What? We going deeper, cuz?
Cuz.
Man, cuz.
Sorry,
Hammy,
I'm not used to
Hammy,
turning these narrow.
cuz.
These tunnels are very narrow, so I gotta turn the camera a lot faster.
I'm
than I'm used to.
fucking scared as fuck, dog. If he finds us in here, we dead. Cause I ain't getting
No,
around.
you could just
Bullshit
keep
ever.
running, man, if he finds you in
Your
here.
maneuvering has gotten better, but yeah, I don't think we'll be able to get out of
If we
here.
had a controller, we
Especially
could
because with your erratic movements, it's hard for me
Wait,
to follow which
it's
way I
so
should be going.
dog, it is so fucking scary that I'll be losing all control.
Man, if we had a controller, man.
I don't know, man.
Like right when you see him, you just want to give
Sorry.
up and just
Pretty used
crawl
to
under
it,
a
shit.
hole.
Oh, you
Crawl
gotta
under.
go back.
Oh, nigga. Oh, baby. I'm about to
It's okay, guys.
I'm gonna beat you, scrub, nigga.
Ricky, why
What's
is
that
your finger
sound?
like
What
that?
is that sound?
Huh?
Why was
I
your
think it's
finger like
a
that?
computer.
Is it?
It sounds like a chainsaw.
What kind of noise?
It's not my car driving.
That is scary.
Because you would sound louder and it would be making other noises.
Well,
You
so
said
that's
there'd
part of
be
the
a key.
good.
What the fuck is
Yeah.
that? Bro, it's like when you
I don't
turn
want
a
to
corner,
breathe. I
it's
want to
like-
hold my breath.
I just want to at least open one door.
I swear to God, I thought I just seen.
Hey.
Oh shit!
It's a weapon!
Oh,
It's
it's
a
a
fluke.
flu.
It's a fucking fluke.
You can't pick it out?
It's a
Why
fluke.
can't we? Why the
You
fuck
find
can't we
a
pick it
fluke.
out? Can't we stab him with it? It looks
That's what
sharp.
lets you look sharp as fuck. It's the other side of a metal door. It's still too heavy for me to open because I'm a little bitch.
Man, I'd find the strength to open that goddamn thing.
Man, I want to get
I wouldn't even go through it because you'll make so much noise.
I'd be
you'll find
so
it.
damn
I'll just
scared. I
rape him
swear
with
to
that
God.
flute. Stick that.
I wouldn't even want to. Like,
Hey, can't she just
move.
lure him away like that one Potty Piper dude with the
Yeah.
flute?
Why would you go into a building like this in the first place?
To look for help for Jeffrey. Yeah, Jeffrey was. Jeffrey! I love you, Jeffrey!
He barred our path completely.
I love you, Jeffy.
Which way you want to go? You see, I think I might be able to help that.
That's gonna make it way worse.
I know how to do it, man. Actually,
So it's,
you found something. Press space bar.
Yeah,
It's like a key.
Oh my God, we got another key.
Oh, it's the green one!
Oh my God, you scared the shit out of me.
God, that's creepy.
It's a green one.
I mean,
Yeah, it's pretty weird how I'm moving that camera around.
Yeah.
Come on, Abel.
You get used to it after.
I gotta hide myself up.
guys all sweet.
Oh, wait till you start having to run though, man.
I'm just gonna learn.
nigga.
I'm just gonna learn to kill me.
You're a bitch, nigga.
I know,
Fucking go down without a fight.
Hey, there's some key right there. Turn around, Gabe. Turn to his flashlight.
Yeah.
Right there's a key.
Yeah, I know
The
that.
blue one.
Can you all pick up one
I
at a
don't
time?
know.
Bro, that'd be gay as fuck.
Should put this shit louder, Ricky.
No.
I don't
If
kidding.
you put
You
it
know
up, I
how
will
loud?
kill.
Oh, that has red on it. Red.
Really loud as
scary
fuck. Hold
as
up, I
fuck.
fucking.
That bitch is scary as fuck. She's the scariest. Oh yeah, real Moidala.
Moidala.
Oh, I'm
I wonder what
Wait, what
game.
was
I
that?
kinda
You
wanna
would
play
think there would
this
be
game when it
help
comes out
in
now.
here.
I don't know, man.
Stupid bitch.
I think I'm gonna lose my.
I don't know about all that, cause man, I don't
Come on, Abe.
think
I'm gonna lose my voice.
fucking beat this fucking game.
I'm so fucking scared right now.
Oh, nigga, I see him. He's creeping, bro. He be
She wants you to
creeping.
come follow her.
You can hardly see that nigga out the corner of your eye. He be
She gonna
creeping,
kill
bro.
you.
There he is, nigga. I saw him,
Stop lying, man. You're just creeping them out.
bro. Dude, he's right there. He's right there in front of you.
If we sit idly still, the nigga will find us.
You should just let yourself stay.
Nah, he be creeping around the corner though. You be seeing his little bitch ass.
I'm so fucked.
Dude, let's get the fuck out of here.
Why you in dead end though?
I don't know. If they
Come on, man.
This is so spooky.
Spooky, scary skeletons.
Spooky, scary.
So we going back or we want to go forward?
We going back.
No, fuck that. We go forward.
Oh shit. Come shift. Here comes shift.
Sana.
It looks so cool how the lights like dimmer like from back there.
Stop doing that shit, nigga. That's not me, bitch.
And then
Don't
made
be
him
like
jump.
that.
You fucking pushed me. I didn't jump.
Come on, Abel.
You pushed me, man.
He gonna kill you guys.
He
if you
did
just keep
push me.
standing there.
Shut up. You keep leading us to dead ends.
So what? Save the
I am? No, I ain't.
Fuck up. I'm so fucking scared. Nigga, the Illuminati, nigga. Let's have some big balls. That's what
Man,
it
if
is.
I watch this like at my house, I'd be like scared shitless. I'm gonna throw my phone
There is
across the
another
room
key.
and shit.
Oh my
See,
god.
we're doing good, Abel.
Well, you can see kind of decently.
No, it's a letter.
Is it?
It's a letter. It's just a letter, bro.
Dog, I'm scared.
You telling me?
Come out.
Gay ass cat, man.
Go put it on there.
Fucking. Ah, my arm hurts. The fuck? I
No, I was gonna hear his meow.
How do you do this
meow
shit?
through the
This
whole
shit hurts
fucking
my
thing.
I saw something.
That's him, bro. He creeped
What'd you
around
see?
the fucking corners.
Well, I thought I saw something gleam.
So scared. Alright, Romeo. You wanna play next? Yeah. Just do the mouse for me then. I wanna walk it. Alright, I wanna do the mouse. I haven't did it yet. I'm so fucking scared.
Why do you get Romeo to do the mouth? I mean, I don't get you able to get scared. Nigga, keep going.
Fucking. Oh my god, my arm. How the fuck do you stab like this, Julian? How's your arm hurting?
He's about to murderize it.
Really?
Oh my god, touch it.
I heard a bunch of sweet ass shit happening in here.
You turn the flashlight off.
I turned it what? For F.
Hurry up, dog.
I told you to turn that flashlight off.
Man, I wanted to see all day.
Please, hurry up.
Oh my god.
You
What
can.
kind of-
I
hey, what kind of batteries
recorded
this
it, so you
flashlight
can.
running on though?
Duracell?
Energizing bitches on them.
Fuck you going back from?
You got them triple D's ones.
We
Hey,
go
there's a door.
upstairs.
There's a door.
Triple D's
Open
nuts.
it. Bro, there's a door over here. I synced it.
We're gonna die.
You seen to it?
There you go, there you go, there you
Letter.
go. Get that.
It's a letter, isn't
Get
it?
that, fuck it.
It's a map.
What is letters even
Ah,
do?
my fucking.
Don't read it, man. This shit's stupid.
That's a setup, niggas.
Pinocchio.
Come out.
Pinocchio vast is vanishing.
Hold on, hold on, wait. Hold on.
Hey,
My fucking
stop
arm.
reading it. The nigga's gonna come out of nowhere and fucking stab you in your ass.
My arm is killing me.
My arm's getting
How the fuck did you play like this?
Keep
That's
going.
what should happen.
I didn't play like that.
How are you playing that? My fucking arm is killing me. I'm
Hurry
sorry.
up,
Here,
it's so cute.
space, shift.
You gotta hurry up and start walking.
Oh, you playing like this?
Yeah. Like a real
Fuck,
nigga.
I use my left hand and my right hand.
Good luck, bitch.
Yeah, Julian, no wonder why he's so good. I forgot he is left-handed.
Let me help you out. Good luck.
So does that mean Dachi's
These are
left-handed?
arrows. Maybe. And there you go. Here's shift.
But isn't that
Space.
nigga, wasn't that nigga doo-doo though?
That nigga was actually controlling this shit pretty good.
How could you be good at this, honestly?
I was actually not doing that bad, so fuck
Keep
you.
going, man.
You gotta be a fucking super master.
You're just freaking.
You can't play like that? Hey, betray Dookie.
For real, man.
Go down that little hallway.
What's up with you?
Go down that little hallway, cuz.
Start running, nigga.
No, that will summon him faster.
Exactly.
Bring him.
Summon him.
I gotta play like that. Hold on.
Summon him. He doesn't just come out of nowhere. He's fucking summoned.
That
He's
nigga's
a
the
demon
gate
spawn.
guardian, nigga. He's guard as a hell.
That thing is a demon spawn from hell.
Man, I'm surprised these
Hey,
niggas
you know
didn't
how
have
they
that
just
nigga
get
one up their
creepier?
butt yet.
Put that nigga instead of that gas, dude that kills you, put you with papers.
That shit was scary as fuck.
And
Why?
pumpkin head.
Oh
Pumpkin head. I should have a nigga pumpkin head over there too. Pumpkin
Come
head.
on, man, let's go.
It'd be like in Monster, you know how there's multiple of them motherfuckers.
Sugar man.
We're going right, dog. Let's go.
Go to the sugar
Oh
tunnel.
god.
Go down
Go.
straight and
If he comes, I'm just gonna let him kill me.
Don't be
Why
afraid.
the
You
fuck is wrong
run.
with
I
you?
can't.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, nigga. When he comes, you freeze up and you be like, oh, nigga.
Right.
I can't even see. I'm blind. I'm legally blind.
I'm legally blind.
There was a key back.
Mama, I love you.
No, there wasn't.
Yeah, there was, dude. It's right by there.
Should we go back then?
Right by these nuts. No, I'm playing. No, go.
You turn it back around, he's right there all sweet
He's about to
running.
be right there. He's always behind.
Right?
He does Jason Statham
What the fuck
running.
was that? Oh, those are pipes.
Nah, nigga, he's about to jump down from the
That means
pipes.
he close. He rape you. That means
Flies
he's
up
all
behind you all gay.
He's all
There ain't
sweet.
shit there,
hanging up
man.
on him,
Ain't it
swoops
dead
down
end?
all sweet.
Dick still hanging out on harder. He flies out the pipes with his
dick
dick
on
on hard. The drill is really his dick. In this bitch's butt.
He be stabbing her all gay. You know he stabs you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not stabbing
He
you.
he only kills you if he gets in front of you.
I
When
thought
he
he had-
slices your throat.
I thought he had a drill.
He does have a drill.
Yeah. Yeah, but after you get
just
stabbed, no, but after you get stabbed, so much, it just seems like you die no matter what.
Oh, we're back down here.
Okay.
My fucking elbow.
I want that seat.
You want me to take over for a little bit?
You can sit on my lap though.
Y'all want to
Just grab her chin
Go
and
ahead,
fucking tear it off and fall asleep.
What?
Nigga, hurry up before he comes out.
Just grab her chin and tear it off.
I thought you said
lobster
titty.
claw
Oh, nigga,
and rip that shit
Nigga,
off.
if you don't hurry up.
Sorry, homie.
What is that on your shirt?
We're gonna die either way.
Dicks.
Look at that
Let's say
one right
people. They're black people.
Don't go over there.
They're
That's weak.
magnificent ass.
Steve Harvey on there.
I don't know, some black ass dude with spray paint. I'm gonna go with the fuck.
Seriously, you can sit on my
Oh,
lap.
he coming. You heard him breathing?
there. No, it's okay.
You heard him breathing?
That was me. I was like,
No, nigga, that's a dude.
that
No,
is
you
him,
say,
man.
oh.
That's
That
what he
motherfucker's breathing down your neck.
Every time he
He right
breathes-
behind you. He inside
Every
your
time you
ear
hear that
though.
breath, he's behind you.
That nigga comes
Licking
out
your
your
neck.
earlobe.
That means he's breathing down your neck.
This shit's 15 minutes already.
He be with his dick
Because
on.
me and Abel are that good.
You're fucking terrible
What
at
is
recording. That shit's
dick
on.
on?
Why you running? Oh, you got behind you.
How long did I let us?
If I stay behind
I don't
you,
know.
it's like a.
I thought you were recording.
I am recording.
Oh. Bro, I was fuck. I lasted like 10 minutes. Why the fuck I'm walking back?
It's a lot
less stress when you're doing this, though.
I only laugh.
I just sit back. I sit back. I ain't scared of shit. Stop. Fucking.
Man, I'm trying to conserve my
Fucking suck at control. Bitch, I'm just going down the hallway.
running around
Go
all
down
day.
the hallway.
Just peek around the corners. Yeah, do that.
And then we're all loud as fucking.
You gotta do what he's doing.
Nigga, I'm scared as
Man, that last part got me so bad. No,
He's fucking me up,
the
man.
first
You
part
guys
got
turn
me
the
the
camera. That's the way I
worst.
start going.
horror games movies.
I do too, but man, this is, I know I love
Yeah,
this shit,
dude,
but
you
still
fuck-
I get scared.
Ooh, I fucking shut your little dumb ass up.
Man, when he
you
had
talking
If
you
you're gonna do that, we might as well fucking switch, because you're fucking me all up. Keep changing my direction.
bitch. You know how easy
Yeah,
this shit is.
bitch. Yes, we know What the fuck? That's what you said. It's exciting.
Where's Andrew?
She's right here.
Man, bend like that. Let me sit on your back, nigga.
Okay, Jordan, I'm here.
That would be weird. I'd actually try it if I wasn't
You
tired.
can sit on my
like
lap right here, bro.
Scary.
okay. There's not enough room.
No, because if you hold my hand, I don't want you like leaning.
What the fuck are you doing?
No, it's okay. I can just.
What are you doing?
No, you should not be playing on.
Jeremiah,
Don't be playing around on this shit. Because you will get butt.
I'm gonna get butt fucked on one movie. Jeremiah comes out all gay bullfrog issue, and if I were here,
was a bullfrog.
Nigga, if you can just start telling me what.
go to one flashlight.
No, let's play Five Nights at Fuck Boys.
Hell no.
No, nigga, that's just an RPG.
It's RPG.
Inhale my dong.
So that shit's not even hanging. Hell my dog.
We should play some more.
I hate this fucking
though.
game, dog.
I totally forgot you had a fucking computer that can play games.
Well, I don't have a good. I didn't think I'd be able to. I don't know which ones I'd be able to run. To be right.
Dog, let's play that fucking pizza delivery too, dog. Or was that a? Yeah,
That's scary as fuck.
Oh, nigga. Oh, nigga. Oh, nigga. I see him.
It's over.
Oh, nigga. I see him. Oh, nigga. He right there.
Shut up, Julian, you asshole.
He got his dick out, nigga.
Nigga, he always got his dick
No,
out.
seriously, I don't see him. Look, he's right there.
You don't see that shit? That should be
Shut the
swinging
fuck
around.
up.
He's actually behind you.
Shut up. Shut the fuck up, bro.
His dick on hard.
Put his dick on.
Yeah,
Power drill on.
You scared
Oh,
me.
Oh, it's over. This is scary as fuck.
You scared me too, nigga. Turn to the side. Turn to the side. Turn to the side.
Oh, turn to this side. Turn to this side.
There's nothing.
Oh shit! This is like really sensitive.
Yeah.
Like my dick.
Yeah.
On hard.
Why do you guys keep going?
Oh shit! Oh, nigga, this is a dead end over here.
yeah.
I remember this is a dead end. You fucking, you're dead. Go on, run!
You get it?
Go run, you'll summon him.
Hey, I think I can get away from him. Watch this.
You did last time.
No, you didn't. Yeah, he did get away, but
yeah,
then
you
he got
can.
into
Yeah,
the
yeah,
dead
yeah.
end and he
I can
died.
jump on this wall.
Trying to do that
No,
zombie.
you can't.
Please stop
Come on, man,
What?
just go.
Can't get me over here. No, nigga, they got that Call of Duty logic.
Oh my god.
He's still gonna pull your
so
ass down and
frightened.
rape you.
You're so startled.
I'm so spooked.
You're so startled.
I'm not startled just yet. Ah! This nigga fucking my whole game.
It's funny, like my heart is like completely still right now.
Oh shit.
Not completely
That nigga
still,
was
but
never
no.
killing yourself.
Still.
Not
Nigga,
still.
you dead.
Dead.
Not still, but you know how you say his heart beats really fast? It doesn't
Come
happen.
on, bitch. This
I
is
just get really
scary.
scared.
Your heart's skipping.
Brandon's a zombie.
Turn aside, turn aside, turn aside.
I was literally going to stop playing.
Wait, actually, does the vampire's heart beat?
Play till I die.
No,
Depends.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does.
definitely not.
It
Nigga.
depends on the
Oh,
type
my
of
I'm pretty
nigga.
sure a vampire's heart bleeds. Why do you think they'll die if you stab them in the heart with a stake?
Oh, nigga, this game's
Stop, you're messing up the camera.
This game is scary.
about to turn that corner, bro.
This game's scary.
Actually, I could use a desktop recorder probably, but I didn't want to run it.
Oh, this game is scary.
Which way you trying to go? Tell me which way you trying to go to.
Follow him.
What does it say? Gotcha, bitch, on the wall.
Gotcha, bitch.
Rapes you and shit. Oh, drop the soap.
That would be funny. Like,
Hurry up and find
Shit
him, cause my
turn.
recording.
Gotcha, bitch.
Gotcha, bitch. And he came out the wall.
That's a picture of him too.
Like you hear it, like they read it and they're and they turn to the side.
Dude, that was him.
Look like him.
Yeah, that looked.
And then there's
Oh
no
shit!
him.
Why you wearing?
Don't go down there, man.
nigga.
You're-
No,
Every time you go down here, you automatically die.
No.
Go to the left. Go to the left. Don't.
Slide to the left.
Don't go to the left. That's where it said surprise, bitch.
No, Chuck.
Surprise, bitch.
It killed you.
Huh, I wonder if that's like a randomly generating thing, like generating thing where it says that in the wall.
I hope it wouldn't be. Then this game creeps.
Oh my god.
What the fuck is this? A shower room? Just a big ass shower
And
room?
we escaped him.
I'm so
before.
scared. I'm so scared.
Nigga, what are you even doing though? Like, what are we supposed to do?
I didn't even get no.
Don't run.
Oh,
You
shit,
get
you're
it.
going deeper.
He'll come for you.
He ain't got no key.